Hello everyone, and good afternoon to my lecturer Puan Nur Siti Syaira binti Muhammad Nur, Puan Siti Hajar binti Muhammadun, Dr. Rasamal AP Rasapan, and Puan Nur Sarina binti Muhammad Zaid. So I am Vimal Chandan, and today I'm going to present you all about my e-commerce business intelligence dashboard, which is about our PBA project, a problem-based assignment. So my group members will be I, Vimal Chandan, Nasih Ulwan bin Abdul Wahab, and Muhammad Haikal bin Mohtar. So without further ado, I will go to the next slide. So this is our draft about our project background. So e-commerce is growing rapidly in Malaysia, especially we know that Lazada, Shopee, and also Amazon. So companies use data analytics to monitor sale, to watch the sale, to understand customer behavior, to understand the customer preference or the customer interest, identify best product, to know what product are the best selling in today's market, and also improve decision making. So data helps business identify trends and improve sales strategy. So this help the company sales to grow rapidly. Business intelligence tools convert raw data into useful insight. So raw data will come in the table. So how about useful insights? So it shows the table to a chart, a bar chart, a pie chart, also nicely arranged tables. So it helps support better forecasting and inventory management. So these are the project objective. What are the project of what are the goals of our project? So first is to analyze sales trends to know what are the sales trends, study customer purchasing behavior, identify top performing product in today's market, compare regional sales performance, and also to create interactive dashboard using Power BI. So here what we did in our PBA. So here are the four main things. Transform raw sales data into meaningful insights. So which you can see in our dashboard. Use ETL data modeling and DX for data processing to process the data. Identify trends and patterns of sales performance. Bar chart used to compare sales across categories and region. So here we can see KPI card showing total sales, total orders and average order value. And here we can see chart showing sales product by category. So this is a data sheet information. So what are the tables there? What are the row and the column in our data? So the source of our data is from Kaggle Superstore sales data set. So what are the data fields? Order ID, customer name, product name, region, sales, and order date. So these are after we clean data. So before we clean data, there are more table, but it is some are useful data, some are useful table, and some are also unuseful table. So the unuseful table we doesn't need. So what we do, we remove it. So these are the main table that we use it to create the dashboard. So here are the ETL process. So what are the ETL process? First is extract. This is the E. E is for extract. Import data set to Power BI. Check data structure. It's taking the data into Power BI and so to check the data structure. So transform. So T is for transform. Change data format, full null or postal codes, rename columns, we remove duplicate and also remove unnecessary column. So this is like cleaning the data. Cleaning data means like cleaning data, arranging keeping the proper data value, and also removing the unnecessary data. So load is we cleaning the data set into Power BI model and also prepare the data visualization. So after transform, we going to load the data into Power BI and also create the visual dashboard. So here we see here we have changed data format. You can see now the date is we keep as date, and so we rename the column, the customer name and product name we rename the column, and so we verify data type. That this is for decimal point. So for sales we keep decimal points. So this is data cleaning and before cleaning. So before cleaning, there are also missing values, duplicate rows, and inconsistent column names. So after we cleaning, we standardize the data. We have a cleaner data set and also correct data types. So that's all from me, madam. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum puan, nama saya Muhammad Haikal bin Mohtar dan saya akan sambung untuk data model. Jadi data model kita ada star schema data model. Jadi star schema data model ni dia dapat improve Power BI performance dan make data relationship easier to manage, simplify report creation and analysis dan reduce data redundancy and supports faster filtering and aggregation. Dan next adalah untuk fact table. Jadi sales transaction dia dapat store sale transaction record dan dia contains sale amount, quantity, and transaction details. Dan dia connect to all dimension table. Jadi next adalah untuk dimension table pula. So kita ada dim customer. Dim customer dia ada customer information. So table dia punya column ada customer ID, customer name, dan kategori lah ataupun segment. Jadi explanation dia dim customer ni dia buat untuk store customer details that help purchasing pattern based on different customer groups. Dan next adalah untuk dim product. Jadi table dim product ni dia untuk product details lah. Dan dia ada product name, kategori, subkategori, dan product ID. Jadi explanation untuk the product dia provides information about products allowing sales analysis by product type, kategori, dan price range. Next adalah untuk dim region. Jadi dim region dia ada untuk geographic information. So kolom dia ada region, state, dan city. Jadi dim region ni dia berbuat untuk contains location data used to performs across different region location. Next adalah dim date. Jadi dim date dia date related information. Jadi dia ada date, year, month, dan month number. Jadi dia store data attribute that enable trend analysis and comparison of sales over time. Dan ni adalah untuk DEX measure. Jadi kita ada total sales, kita guna sum, dan average. DEX kita guna DEX function, kita guna average, dan logical DEX function. Dan DEX function dan counting DEX function. Jadi di sebelah kiri ada table measure function. Jadi total sales, average order value, total orders, sales kategori, dan current month. Dan next adalah untuk customer purchasing behavior. Dan ini adalah kami punya dashboard, e-commerce sales analytic dashboard. Jadi dashboard ni dia mempunyai e-commerce performance, ada total order, average order, value, dan region, product categories, and sales trends. Jadi key points untuk dashboard ni adalah sales vary across product categories, customer behavior differs by region, sales show fluctuation over time, dan certain segment contribute most of the revenue. So why is it important to have a dashboard? They help identify best selling products, support location-based marketing strategies that help forecast sales trends, dan improve promotion and inventory efficiency. Dan next adalah untuk revenue growth patterns. Jadi dia menunjukkan total sales growth from 2015 to 2018. Dan it also show categories and performance through KPI values. Jadi untuk key points dia, sales increase, dia tunjukkan sales increase from 2015 to 2018, clear upward revenue trend, category sales contribute to revenue. So overall performance show growth. Then why is it important? Show business grow over time, help financial planning, identifies sales performance trend, supports better decision making. Dan next adalah sales trend analysis. Jadi key findings dia untuk sales trend analysis ni adalah sale increase yearly, dan highest sale during year and promotion, clear growth trend over time, dan sales peak during festive season. So kenapa kita kena ada trend analysis ni? Jadi explanation dia, sales show consist grow over the years, promotion campaign help boost sale, customer demands increase during festive periods, year end promotion generate the highest revenue. Jadi itu saja daripada saya akan pass kepada rakan saya iaitu Nasih Ulwan. Terima kasih puan.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nasih Wahab. Today we explain about the product category performance. This chart shows the total sale by the product category. The technology record the highest sale at about the RM380,000, followed by the furniture and office supplier. This shows the technology product have the highest customer demand and contribute the most to the company revenue. Therefore, management should focus on the maintaining stock and promotion this product. For the next is region sales performance. This map show the sales performance across the different state and regions. Some states record the highest sales indicated the strong customer demand. This may also can help to identify strong and weak the market and support the better marketing and resource planning. The reason why the region sales performer use the map is because the map had a visualize the sales performance by the location. Map is the easy to identify the highest performer and low performance region. For the next, for the key performance indicator. This KPI card summary the company performance. Total sale of the 1.8 million show the overall revenue, menunjukkan jumlah purata dia. The total order adalah 5,000 and menunjukkan nombor yang telah melakukan transaction, and purata order is the 220.1 order, show the average spend per order. This KPI help the management monitor the performance quickly. And this is the interactive feature. The dashboard include the date, region, and the product category filter. This filter allow the user to analyze sales trend, compare the region, and identify the highest demand product. This makes the dashboard more interactive and useful for the decision making. Also, the dashboard can make the user know about the product and company. For recommendation, the company can integrate more customer data and use the 3D analytics to the forecast feature sales trend and product demand. They can support the more strategic business decision making. For the feature improvement, we recommendly add the sale for the casting for the customer segmentation using the RFM analysis and AI analytics. This feature can provide a deeper insight and improve the decision making. Real-time data integration can also make the dashboard more interactive. Lastly, for the conclusion. In conclusion, this business intelligence is a BI project successfully transform raw e-commerce data into the meaningful insight using Power BI. The dashboard help the analyst sales trend, customer behavior, product performance, and regional sales performance. Overall, it will support faster and better business decision making. That's all for me, and thank you so much.